The APC Rivers State Caretaker Committee, inaugurated by the Abdullahi Ganduje-led NWC, has been sacked by the state high courts. They have started. Tomorrow you hear another thing. Every day you begin to hear different things. different things. This is what you're going to be hearing. Just unfortunate. Yes, these people, they have started all these their shenanigans. The APC River State, the Caretaker Committee, inaugurated by Ganduje. And who is that person? I think it's Tony or Culture. That one who has been making money here and there. They started having their own issues in River State. The same people who were saying that, oh, why should Fubara be operating with this caretaker local government chairman? And I remember somebody asked the same question. What is Okocha still doing as a interim chairman of the party? But they are all of them will come out and begin to spew things ignorantly. Let me just put it that way, because these guys are something else. Yes. Okay. I saw a typical olden days headmaster behind Ganduje. Who is that? APC chairman has been sacked more than 5 times now. Is Nigeria Judiciary Act still working? That's a big question. Like I said, you hear different things. When it favors them, especially the government of the day or those who are in power, they will begin to act as if they are so responsible, they know law, they abide by the laws, and they want to oppress others, using the same law to oppress others, that they are not doing the right thing. Meanwhile, things are going bad. In your own case, you are supposed to lead by example, but they are not doing that. You don't lead by example, but you want others to obey the law to the letter. They don't even have the legal standing to sack the chairman, and for that it won't stand. You miss the point. Maybe you should read the article again or go back to what is being said. Beginning of the end of political position in our dear nation by his oracle. Can you imagine the kind of people, individuals ruling APC leadership, and an illiterate of Ganduje supervised educated ones, and they are bowing down for him? This is pure Yahoo leadership, and that's why we are having Yahoo economy. I pity you a lot, because you don't even know what is called illiteracy. Just go and hide your face. The problem is that I'm thanking Judiciary for removing this man out. No way for him again. The court has no right to interfere in the internal matter of a party. The appeal court will throw that out. You get caught. When I get caught for Nigeria, Wike has destroyed Nigeria court system. That's it. He has destroyed it. They don't care. In as much they are smiling to the banks, the rest people can be bound to the Philistines. It's none of their business. When you talk about those politicians that they don't have integrity, they don't have shame, they say forget now. They talk about shame. Who integrity help? Who shame or no get shame? Who help? In as much they are rolling the balls, and a lot of people are ready to dance to their tunes. What about that? A lot of people see what is happening in the face of hardship. If Nigeria can just overlook this kind of hardship that Tinubu has even brought to Nigeria or upon Nigerians, you see that the country is not going to go forward, because some people are still justifying what is not, and just because of their selfish interest. In those days, was in that school of thought saying that, oh, when the suffering gets to the peak, people will react. Yes, people will still react, but they will still come back. Some people are not still going to react to anything. So that is why you see that I always say that the politicians always use this avenue to continue to perpetrate their evil. Another set are still on the way. I always say it during Buhari's time. Say forget it. A lot of people are still on the way. A lot of politicians are on the way. Just for them to get in. They want to say all manner of things just to suit the public. And the public are always taking everything in from them. Wow. It's unfortunate. Really unfortunate. Today you hear different things. Tomorrow, don't be surprised. You hear something different. So what do you have to say in that kind of situation? Do you think that you have a country? And some people just go and pray, 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 pray. Let us pray. Let us. That is not it. It's not as if God is deaf or he cannot even do the miraculous. But he's a principled God. You do this and this will follow. He said, give. It shall be given unto you. Give. Do this. If you draw near me, I will draw near you. There must be something you must do before we do what he has to do. Yes. So if you like, pray, 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 and don't do the right thing. That is why we are still on the same page and on the same state. Some people tell you, if not because of the prayers that we are praying in Nigeria, the country would have been. It is a lie. The country should have been better, not the other way around. They just want to use something to just suppress it, not the other way around. So unfortunate. So nobody's going to be happy or jubilating on this, because before you could say Jack Robinson, another thing will happen. Another news will come. Another verdict from the court will still come. They'll counter and counter judgment. So that's just it. So leave your comment guys below and let us have your take.